Hey you, welcome back to...
I'm sweating.
I am sweating. We just went to Winco and we picked up a bunch of food because I wanted mochi. We went there for mochi. I looked online. There wasn't any mochi. I get to the store and there's mochi. By the way, we rode our bikes all the way to Winco. My throat hurts. I'm very hot. So I'm gonna show you what we got. So first off, wait, show the package first. I got Spencer this thing because you know how he has the things for SpongeBob.
I hate you.
And it came with this Squidward.
Get the fuck back up. What the fuck? It's supposed to not stay down.
With this Squidward. And he got the original Krabby Patty.
It's huge as fuck.
Whoa, it's really big.
It comes with different ones. There's the purple Krabby Patty, the green Krabby Patty, the blue Krabby Patty, and the red Krabby Patty.
I got 2 of these big Rice Krispie things because they were only 99 cents. I got Pepsi. Spencer got Mountain Dew.
Why'd you get diet?
Oh shit! I'm sorry, I didn't see.
It's okay, I'll drink it.
And then
I just noticed it and I was like, why is it a different color?
I love these cookies, and they were like $2, so I just ended up getting them. Candy wise, we got this Mike and I Premia. These truly peachy O's. One for one of the little kids. And this Trolley Sour Bite Crawlers is for the other one. Then these ones, I've only had the blue one or the cherry. I can't remember which one I have, but it's Ooze Tubes, and this is it's so good. I also got it in blue raspberry. Spencer also wanted Slim Jims, but they were the only ones I saw came in like really big things, and so I got him the small 14-pack because it was only $2. Oh shit, I think it's gonna explode. If I open it, I think it's gonna explode.
You should open it then.
Look! I'm scared.
Mine didn't. You're fine.
Okay, yeah. Anyways, so the mochi we got was sweet mango. And I thought I got the chocolate chip, but it was actually vanilla bean. We've tried the mango one before. I really like the mango one. We've also tried the strawberry one from My Mochi, the brand. Hello, Squidward.
We can't even see him. He's so fucking short.
You spin me right round. So we haven't tried the vanilla bean one. Do you want to try the vanilla bean one first?
Oh, yeah, sure. I'm sorry.
Where's my cap?
I don't know.
You want to open it?
Yeah, I'm opening it.
Oh, I forgot to tell you. My friend from work, she follows me on here, on Instagram, and she watched the YouTube video we made last week.
Oh.
She told me she laughed whenever when you said that I'm gonna, as a director at something, I would fire you, and you're my only actor. She said that you were funny. See, look, this is how it looks.
Yeah, it's very tasty. Mine.
There's 2 napkins on there, right?
Yeah. Oh my god, look how squishy it is. Oh shit, powder! Is this cocaine?
Why would you snip it? Oh, it's also really squishy.
I thought it was farther away.
Oh, also, this is how it looks. I can't tell if
Ow.
if you can actually like see it, because I'm not good at this.
Not too bad. Free to take. Oh, not too bad.
I think we should freeze it more, but it's really good.
I still think the chocolate chip would have been better.
It was cookies and cream.
Well, how would you know? You got the wrong one. It's like if we won the Titanic, you'd be, what's his name? John?
Jack?
Jack, there it is. You'd be Jack. Don't go. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm so tired.
The ice cream in the middle is really good. We put it back.
Put it back.
I think it's so good. It's like my mochi has such good.
I think we were talking about like your mochi, and I was like, your mochi.
I love it. I mean, it is the only brand of mochi that I've tried.
Hallelujah. You need to be all the way up here when you're showing it.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
The chosen one.
The chosen one has fallen.
Oh no! Oh my god, they're really squishy.
You just fucking squish the life out of it. You fucking suck.
So good.
Look.
Literally, look.
It's not melting. The ice cream's the only thing that can melt. The rest of it can't, really, I don't think. I'm gonna swing from chandelier. Oh, shit. From the chandelier.
I'm gonna go put these back.
You wanna see my Squidward?
Anyways, Luke is here in the background. Do you wanna? Oh,
Yeah, that
you
was
have to
nice.
try this. Oh my god.
Ready? Go get a plate.
It's literally so good. The first time I tried it was from this girl in RTC, and she was selling them. And every Friday, I would bring a shit ton of water bottles because, like, most people forgot them. Like the girls in my company would forget them. And so before class and before we did physical training, I would give it to them, or after be like, hey, do you want a water bottle? She gave it to me. She's like, thanks for giving me the water bottles. I was like, yeah, I mean, you forgot it every Friday. So like, you're welcome. Like, it's no problem. She was really cool. I liked her.
You like?
What's that?
She was a senior and I was a sophomore.
What's that?
Oh shit.
It's like it's like an ooze. It's called an ooze tube. You try it first.
Can I try it?
Yeah, you can. Sophie, what do you think of it? Can you get it out?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Don't squeeze too much into your mouth. What do you think?
I don't think it tastes that bad.
He said thumbs up.
Yeah, it doesn't taste really bad. It's just really sticky. It's like what's it called? Oh, you know those sprays with the
The
sour?
juicy drop.
Yeah, just an oozy.
Hold on. Oh.
Squidward approved. God fucking damn it, the light isn't in his face.
Do you want to try the cherry one?
Yeah, I'll try the cherry one.
I think I got the raspberry one last time.
Why'd you put my cap? I need. Oh, never mind. You almost scared me.
Did you give him a cookie?
Yeah, I did.
What's inside you?
There was a big Krabby Patty inside of there, but
And my
Sophie ate it. Last time. The cherry one smells really good.
I kind of want to get Mr. Krabs now. Only because his eyes look really weird. And then Patrick. I already have a SpongeBob thing. It's my first Squidward thing.
It's not as
Can I try?
it's not as strong. What do you think of it?
I think I like that it's not as strong as the other one.
Which one do you like better, Luca? You like that one better?
Might be the
Oh, can I try one of these?
You want to try Rice Krispie treat? Yeah. Hold on. Come on,
Jesus, take the wheel.
Oh, we're also gonna have Mia try. Obviously,
Mm.
everything. Here, give this to Luca.
Did my hand look like the one from SpongeBob? Oh, why did you give me one?
You don't want?
No, I was showing you my hand and how it looks like the SpongeBob hand. I got 14 Slim Jims.
Mini Slim Jim.
Yes.
Were you doing a video?
Mm.
Yeah, she's gonna be famous.
No.
Yeah, we know.
Ow, that hurt. Luca,
Slim Jim?
Luca, is it bussin'?
It's yummy.
Okay. I was gonna say it's bussin'.
What's
I
busting?
mean yummy. It's another word for yummy. This shit's bussin'.
Don't say it like that.
Say it like that.
Say this is bussin'.
Bustin', bustin'.
Yeah.
I like how he didn't even say this, he just said bussin'. Yo, we in the 7th grade, you sheesh. Have you seen those people on TikTok that are like, sheesh? They're harmonizing? I freaking love it. The first one that I ever watched, it was just, I was sitting there and I was like, this makes me want to go to church. And then there's another one where it turned like, it was like, first it was dark and then it seemed all light at the end and I was like, haha, nice. Call me when you need, call me in the morning, I'll be on my way.
Excuse you.
Excuse me.
Who's that? Hey, do you want to try some stuff?
Jerky. Yeah.
It's not. It's Slim Jims.
Yeah.
I also want you to try one of these. I think I like this one better.
I want the blue one.
You can. You're gonna try both. Here. What do you think of the Slim Jim?
I love Slim and I also love jerky.
Say this shit is bussin'.
Don't say shit. Just say bussin'.
Bussin'.
What should say bussin'?
Bussin'. Do you want to finish the Slim Jim and then try it? Oh, you ate that in 2 bites. Which one do you want to try first?
The blue one.
Blue raspberry.
Look at this.
No, say it.
Fuff. Look at this. Fuff. Look at this.
Oh
She's a lot.
no!
It doesn't have enough
Look
taste,
at
so I
this.
don't like it very much.
I don't think you're gonna like this one because it's doesn't have.
Did you see him? He put a Slim Jim down and he was like, look at this, and he like completely licked
This
the
one
table
has
and was
a
trying
bit
to get
more
it off.
taste and it's more delicious, so I like the cherry one best. That's like dope.
What are you, fucking going around?
Can I finish the Rice Krispies? I already know how to.
And some weird Omega verse ooze.
Why would you say that?
Because it's
Why-
the exact
why
same
would
taste. It's slimy and it has the same texture as what they describe. It's weird. You know what? Take it. Fuck you. That's what you get for biting into mine. I took 2 bites at a time and he took it and he goes, nah.
Oh, right.
You're really testing your limits, boy. He's over here. Anna, he's over here. In my fucking ear. Exactly. He's literally ready to he was like, no. He fucking knows.
I hear me.
Oh,
Terrible. I hate it.
I'm gonna win tonight. Alright,
This is for you. Your Mike and X are over there.
Say hi to YouTube. Okay.
There's a mochi.
How many followers?
Melted 26.
I can get more than that in a day.
What's better than 24?
25!
So the mochi that we got is mango, And then we got, I thought it was cookies and cream, but it was
Just like
vanilla
waffles
bean.
and mochi. It's on Netflix. It's really cute. You guys should watch
I
it.
know, but it looks
It's
like
for
cookies
kids,
and cream.
That's not.
Okay, I want you to try
Choose that round.
the blue raspberry. Nikki and Luca like the cherry one better, and me and Sophie like the blue raspberry one. Stop eating it! Mia still needs to try it.
But go.
Tastes like shit.
Yeah, I know. Right?
Dog water.
I know, right? It tastes like. It tastes like shit.
They both taste like dog water, dude.
Really?
Guess it's a no.
I don't like
Look,
how
I
it's
just
so
peeled
soft.
the
That
Slim
one
Jim.
tastes like shit.
Dog water.
I just peeled the Slim Jim. It's naked. It's not shiny. Don't
Show
touch
it. Show the
My
people.
peeled.
You're crying.
Who's that?
This?
This is why you don't do anything with you. We fucking split it in half.
Did you think?
There's a sauce on it. Fine. This is what's left.
Nikki, look at Mia. Do you guys want to try the mochi?
Yeah.
What's the mochi?
It's
I
ice
split
cream.
it and we'll split one in half for Nikki and Luca since I don't.
Okay.
It's, you remember the like the strawberry mango one I got last time? Like the one that's like a powdery ice cream cake?
It's the same one.
No, we got mango and then we got vanilla.
Vanilla. I like vanilla. You should have brought strawberry too.
I know, but there was there wasn't any strawberry. No. Careful. Please
Mia,
be careful.
fucking stop.
You guys
Oh my god.
Hey, don't move. Don't move. Okay, that's enough.
Toothpaste.
Don't fucking cry.
Oh.
Mia, do you want to go get the mochi? It's in the freezer. Also, be careful because we opened it and we tried it already. It was good. Call me when you want. Call me when you need. Call me in the morning. I'll be on the way.
I like my guitar.
Tell me you love me. Call me.
Okay, I guess you guys can be on now.
Don't touch my fucking Slim Jim.
Just blow their faces, bitch.
Okay,
Wait, is that all you guys got?
that's in the trash.
You guys only got me a Slim Jim?
No, we also
Give me
got
my
the
fucking
Mike-
mic and text you, bitch.
Mike. But the Mike and Ike's, we got
What's
cookies.
that?
Mochi. Which one? Who
I'm
wants
gonna
to
try
try
this
it?
one first.
I want to try vanilla.
Wait, this one's on the other side, dummy.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Are you doing ASMR?
No. Okay, hey, both of you again.
Oh, dude, it's so soft. No, it has to be in the freezer more.
I know, we just got it back.
I'm not gonna eat it. Like this is fucking weird.
Okay, take it. Ooh, it's. Hey, no, bite it. That's why I say bite it.
Ew! It's just like dough that's not cooked.
Yeah.
Give me, let me try that one.
Huh?
Yum!
Very good.
Do you like it?
I want to try the mango.
Oh, but don't put it on your braces. Oh,
I don't have braces.
cool.
Ready? Mango.
You know what I like real? The green
Look at
tea.
her. Come on, it's melting. And the powder's getting all over me. You don't want to try the mango? You want to try the ice cream? It's ice cream in the middle. No.
I like it.
Rice Krispies.
It's even better
You got
Not
Sophia cooking.
dough.
What is this?
Mmm. I also feel like this mystery box thing.
Why does he move like that?
I like when he stares at me. It's hot.
I officially, you're not my sister now.
I mean SpongeBob, not Squidward.
Still.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that? 'Cause
Good
I'm peeling the Slim Jim.
I'm making a stupid song. Say this for me, Luca. And I want another mango, please.
Look at Sophie.
I'm sorry.
And no more.
Naked.
Okay. Nikki, Luca, upstairs. Bedtime.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Oh,
I'll save you more, okay, Luca?
save the turn for me and.
Okay.
Naked. Naked.
Wait, I forgot my cookie.
Oh, hurry up. Give me some.
Why is there a booty hole here?
I made it.
You want the vanilla?
No, eat this one.
You eat that?
Oh, it's summer out there. Summer fall.